Yeah. Oh, I got a catfish. I did. So today we are at Rend Lake and we're gonna go try to catch some carp on this bread. I just went and bought some catfish tackle, so looks like a good day. Water's flowing and there's nobody out here, so let's go try to catch some fish. So I can fit on fish right here and play water. Got one. Darn it. That's the biggest striper I've ever caught though.
Snagged it.
I didn't mean to.
I know.
I got bit.
Oh well, still a fish. How'd you catch him?
I didn't catch him.
Where was he at? You want to catch the water?
No, right here. Oh yeah. Good one.
Fish. Get on camera.
Another one? Holy moly. Oh, he's fighting good. Get him in here. Loosen your drag a little bit. Loosen your drag a little bit. Oh, that's not that big. I thought it was bigger than that. I'm just gonna flip him. Huh? That was like back to back?
Yep. Get him off.
Hooked him right through his tongue. If you catch another one, I'm gonna end up. Another one? Are you serious? What do you got?
Another drum.
Another drum? Don't let him get in that current there. He'll snap you off. That's a good one. He's fighting good. I wish we had that net. That would have been perfect. Oh, that's a good one. That's like that one I caught the other day. Where's he at? Yeah, I might switch to something dark if you're catching them. That's a good one.
It's a little bit bigger of a bait than what you got. Easier for the sea.
Ah,
That's
sorry.
right. Boom.
I didn't mean to, I'm sorry.
That's alright. That's the best way. I was going to throw it back anyway.
That was a good one. What I have tied on now is a lime green curly tail grub with a swivel. So I can change my baits in and out. Now let's see how this does. Oh, large, yeah.
I think that's the same one that I missed a while ago.
That I have not caught a fish. You know, I snagged that striper, but oh, You're not very.
Spicy little sucker.
He's not very smart. Okay, well he's gonna die now.
Where's he at?
He's stuck underneath that rock now. Now he's not gonna live. That's not smart. That's a big one you got there. Oh.
More than you caught today.
You start catching 3-pound largemouths and then we can talk.
Yeah.
Catch a bigger bass than, oh.
Got him?
Got it, yeah!
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah! Darn! Let's go take him over here. Whee! I just caught this drum right over there, and yeah, there he is. Going back. Well, what I was doing is I had these little shad biting my bait, so I was gonna cast up there and try to catch one and use it as cut bait, and then I caught him. So
Over there.
yeah, there was a drum that was scaring all these fish right here. I was trying to catch him, but he wouldn't bite.
Okay.
No, I think I snagged an Asian carpet there. Yeah, I cast it way up in there.
Sometimes you'll get them in the mouth though. If they feed into the water.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, I got something. Yeah. Oh, I got a catfish. I did.
Yeah.
That's a channel.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Oh, he's in the current. I got that on video.
That's a good one.
Is it?
Get him over here.
Yeah, channel cat. That's my second biggest channel cat. Let me,
You better get him up on the back side of the rock there.
that's funny.
Where'd you catch him on?
What do you, little crappie jig.
You want your grippers?
There we go. Yeah. Is he?
You want to keep him or throw him back?
We can throw him back.
Good. You want to eat him?
I mean, he's a good size to eat, right?
That's a good eating size, yeah.
Well, yeah, I got my stringer. We can just keep him on there.
Throw him on, and if you decide later you don't want him, throw him back.
There you go. Got him. Ah, nice.
Grab that in there.
Don't bite me now. Get real hard just in case we do put him back.
Yeah. Now run this through that eye.
There we go. Little catfish. That's awesome. No,